Alright, so here is your flipped classroom on dividing integers with models. We want to look at division as repeated addition or repeated subtraction. So here we have two positives, positive 10 divided by positive 5. Basically, when you divide things, you're going to share them or break them into groups. So we know that we want to start with 0 and add 2 sets of 5 to make 10. So we end up with 2 sets of 5, 2 sets of positive 5, which gives us a total of 10. So our answer is positive 2. Example 1, negative 6 divided by negative 2. So, as always, we start with 0, and this time we're going to add 3 sets of negative 2 to make a total of negative 6. So that means we're going to have 3 sets of negative 2, and that gives us a total of negative 6. So, since we have 3 sets, we know our answer is positive 3. If you have not noticed, the number of sets tells you the number of the correct answer. So since we're adding 3 sets, our answer is positive 3. Since we added 2 sets, our answer was positive 2. Now this one's going to work a little different. We have negative 8 divided by 4. Adding sets of 4 won't make a negative 8 because those are positive. So we have to start with 0 pairs. So we're going to start with 0 and add 2 sets of 4 to make negative 8. So we're going to start with 0 by showing 0 pairs. So we have our 0 pairs here. And we're going to take away 2 sets of 4, and we're left with 8. So since we took away 2 sets of 4, we're left with a negative 2. So our answer is going to be negative 2 because we had to take away 2 sets of 4. All right, let's look at example 2. Positive 9 divided by negative 3. Adding sets of negative 3 won't make 9. So we're going to start with 0. And we're going to take away 3 sets of negative 3. So we're going to have 0 pairs. And we're going to take 3 sets of negative 3 away. And now I'm left with my positive 9. So since I had to take away 3 sets of negative 3, my answer is going to be negative 3. Alrighty, so this is part 1 of Flipped Classroom for dividing integers. Stay tuned for part 2.